Good morning, students. In part 1 video, you saw about different parts of plant, some of their functions, about two types of roots, fibrous root and tap roots, and also their examples. I hope you are reading the chapter. This is the last chapter of science and it is also very important. It is parts of plant. Yes, parts of plants. Now moving ahead with this chapter, you will learn about stems, what do stems do, and other parts. So let's start with good thought. Today's thought of the day is, you have to write in your notebook also. Today's thought of the day is, time has a wonderful way of showing us what really matters. Time has a wonderful way of showing us what really matters. So let's start our lesson. First, we will see what do stems do for the plant. What do stems do for the plant? The stems give support to the other parts of plant. The stem gives support to other parts of the plant. It makes the plant stand upright or help it to climb. It also carries water and minerals to the leaves. वो जमीन में से पानी और मिनरल्स को लीव्स तक पहुंचाता है. और it also carries food made by leaves to other parts of plant. Other parts plants के जो है उनको भी वो खाना पहुंचाता है. Okay, now in some plants such as sugarcane, the food made by plant is stored in stem. We eat that part where food is stored. Where food is stored, we eat that part of plant. Ginger, potato, turmeric and underground stems that store food. These are underground stems that store food. Again I am repeating. You will see on the screen also. Ginger, potato, turmeric are underground stems that store food. Now the leaf. Observe a leaf. Observe a in your canopy book also and here also. The flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. The flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. Its lower side is rough and lighter in color. The upper side is smooth and darker. In the middle of the leaf blade is the thin tube. लीफ के बीच में thin tube होता है. In the middle of the leaf is a thin tube running from the stem to the tip of the leaf. Running from the stem to the tip of the leaf. This is called the main vein. This is called the main vein. There are many smaller tubes running from the main vein. There are many smaller tubes running from the main vein. These are the side veins. Water is carried to the leaf through these veins. Again I am repeating this. There are many smaller tubes running from the main vein. These are the side veins. Water is carried to the leaf through these veins. Okay. Now the lower side of the leaf has many tiny openings. The lower side of the leaf has many tiny openings called stomata. Called stomata. Air enters the leaf through the stomata. Air enters the leaf through stomata. What do leaves do? But student, first clear the word stomata. What is stomata? Stomata means the tiny openings on the surface of the leaves which you cannot see with your eyes. These are very tiny openings on the surface of leaves called stomata. So now let's learn about leaves. What do leaves do? The main function of leaves is to make food for the plant. उनका मेन फंक्शन क्या है? प्लांट के लिए खाना बनाना. और कौन सी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं लीव्स? वाटर, gas called carbon dioxide which is present in air, and sunlight to make food. The main function of leaves is to make food for the plant. The leaves use water, a gas called carbon dioxide present in air which is present in air, and sunlight to make food. This is very important sentence. You have to remember this sentence, that leaves use these things to make food. Air enters leaves through stomata. Air enters the leaves through stomata. The leaves take carbon dioxide from the air. The leaves take carbon dioxide from the air. Water travels up from the roots and reaches the leaves through the stem. Water travels up from the roots and reaches the leaves through the stem. Leaves have a substance called chlorophyll. Leaves have a substance called chlorophyll. 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 It is green in color and gives leaves their green color. It absorbs the sunlight needed to make food. It absorbs the sunlight needed to make food. Plants cannot make food without chlorophyll. This is also very important sentence. Plants cannot make food without chlorophyll. Without chlorophyll. Now students, while making the food, the leaves gives out the oxygen gas. While making the food, leaves gives out oxygen gas. All living things breathe oxygen to stay alive. To stay alive. The food made by the leaves is sent to all parts of plant through the stem. Through the stem. Some of the food is used up by the plant. The extra food is stored in fruits and roots and also in seeds. In some plants such as the onion and garlic, the food is stored in leaves. Plants do not make food at night. Plants do not make food at night. Plants breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide during the day and night. Now about flowers, fruits and seeds. Now students, about flowers, fruits and seeds. You have seen many flowers, you have seen many fruits. So flowers, fruits and seeds are of many size and also in different shapes and colors. Flowers change into fruits. Flowers change into fruits. Some fruits are fleshy and juicy to eat. Fruits have seeds inside them. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits such as mango, lychee and peach have only one seed inside them, while other have several. So, other such as pomegranate, papaya and watermelon have many seeds. आपने वाटरमेलन खाया होगा तो आपको पता है उसमें बहुत सारी सीड्स होती है. Seeds grow into a new plants. Each seed has a baby plant inside. Yes, seeds grow into new plants. Each seed has baby plant. The baby plant begins to grow when the seeds falls on the ground and gets air, water and warmth. पानी, हवा और गर्मी मिलती है तो seed grows into a new plant. As you can see on the screen, a seed growing into a new plant. In your canopy book also you will see this example how seeds grow into a new plant. I hope you understood this lesson. You have to read this lesson 2 times. It is very important chapter of science. So thank you for watching and read the chapter 2 times.